Introducing the new DeWalt jobsite table saw. Featuring a lightweight and compact design, the saw is designed to be easily transported. The saw has a rip capacity of 32.5 inches to the right side of the blade, provided by a patented rack and pinion telescoping rail system, which allows you to cut larger material compared to previous DeWalt table saws without sacrificing portability. The design also provides convenient onboard storage for accessories, making them easily accessible. The modular guard design makes installation of the guarding components quick and easy. DeWalt has also designed a new roll cage frame to withstand tough job site conditions, which demand DeWalt durability. The DeWalt DWE7491RS provides workshop capacity and job site power to meet the user's needs.
We've been around the job site for almost 100 years. We didn't just invent the worm drive. We invented the Skilsaw. We've built our reputation on the cut, and now we're putting it all on the table. The world's first full-size table saw with worm drive gearing. So the question is, with all this power and performance, what will you bring to the table? Skilsaw, heavy-duty worm drive table saw with stand.
For generations, the Skilsaw worm drive has been the job site standard because of its unsurpassed torque and ripping power. Our reputation was built on it. Now we've harnessed this power to be the heart of our new 10-inch worm drive table saw. And that's how a new legend is born. This is the world's first worm drive table saw. Rip full sheets of plywood in half with a generous 25-inch rip capacity. Slice through 4x with a 3.5-inch depth of cut. Add to that the best-in-class dual-field motor with a smooth start to make this saw run cooler and last longer. We put all of this into a compact table saw frame that goes wherever you go. Plus, this saw comes with our Stay True guarantee. Try it for 180 days. If you're not satisfied, you'll get your money back. No questions asked. This is the next evolution in ripping. When the work stacks up, let it rip. True to the trade since 1924. Stay true.
This is Hitachi's 10-inch job site table saw with fold and roll stand, model number C10RJ. This table saw is an ideal choice for anyone on the job site looking to make crosscuts, rip lumber, and cut dados. It features a powerful direct drive universal 15 amp motor that produces 4,500 RPMs to powerfully and easily rip through tough hardwoods with ease. Additionally, it is equipped with soft start to reduce noise and recoil at startup, and an electric brake to halt the rotation of the blade within seconds. For added job site safety, the zero voltage restart protection prevents restarting if the power is temporarily cut during operation. The working table size measures 28 3/4 by 22 inches, with an outfeed support for additional material support. With its telescoping table extension set up on the right, it can support a max of 35-inch rip capacity, the largest rip capacity in its class to date, or 22 inches when set on the left for maximum flexibility. The 10-inch blade can bevel between 0 to 45 degrees for cuts ranging from 3 1/8 inch at 0 degrees to 2 1/4 inches at 45 degrees. And it can take an 8-inch dado stack up to 13 16 inch wide. The C10RJ is equipped with a 3/4 inch T-slot miter gauge that features a large scale with adjustable positive stops at 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees to the right and left to help guide material accurately for a truer cut. This table saw also includes overload protection with automatic shutoff to prevent damage to the motor if a current overload situation were to occur. The oversized power switch with emergency off safety cover is designed at knee level for immediate shutdown. An installed riving knife ensures no bind or kickback. For convenience, there is built-in storage for the push stick, blade guard, anti-kickback pawls, power cord, and other accessories. A 2.5-inch dust port located at the rear can easily be connected to a shop vac or other dust collection system to keep dust to a minimum. It's never been easier to get a cutting deck this large onto a job site. Equipped with a durable fold and roll stand that incorporates large 8-inch rubber all-terrain treaded wheels, the C10RJ can maneuver easily around a job site and then set up with ease. And you will never have to worry about a wobbly cutting surface. The stand is designed with sturdy legs that fold for easy setup and breakdown. One leg even includes an adjustable foot to aid in leveling the saw on uneven ground, providing even more stability while in use. It comes complete with a 10-inch 40-tooth carbide tip blade, blade guard assembly, anti-kickback pawl assembly, miter gauge assembly, push stick, rip fence assembly, outfeed support assembly, 2 blade wrenches, and 5mm, 4mm, and 2.5mm hex bar wrenches. Weighing just 96 pounds, the C10RJ's solid construction can be relied upon to last. And with Hitachi's professional 2-year warranty, it's the perfect table saw for any job site.